Good day, everybody. If you're in the market for a shelf, you've come to the right place. These guys sent me this Molyhom metal shelf here. I'm going to do an unboxing and review on it. Let's check this baby out and set it up. Okay, I got all the parts laid out here. Okay, I got 4 of those. I got 3 batches of 4 there, like 8 of those. And then 4 batches of 4 there. 4 of these, 4 of those, a whole bunch of these, little hammer, and then 2 of these little guys here. When you put these on, that little bottom piece, this is the way you want to put, see these holes right here? You want these facing down towards that thing. Don't put them on the opposite side. The next step is to take this angle here, this one with the bracket on the bottom, and then one of these pieces, the long one, and then a short one here. Okay, so you connect this piece here to that. A couple of things to note here. You see this piece? It's got the holes up. That's where the shelf is going to sit, on top of this little ledge. Now, just to make sure you got it locked in real good, take this, tap it all the way down into the bottoms of those holes. Okay, next step is to put this piece, that down, little hole goes down. That's going to go in right here on this side. Okay, now what we're going to do is just do the same thing. We're going to put these two, so we're going to put another little piece here, another long piece here, but I'm going to grab 2 more corner pieces and put one here. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to put that corner piece in, put this piece, and then put that side piece from another corner piece. Now, whatever height you want your next shelf at, that's where you're going to want to put your next set of 4 brackets. You're going to put 2 more long ones and then 2 more short ones. I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way up. That way I've got a whole bunch of room for that bottom shelf. We're going to put a metal piece down there. That's going to be our bottom shelf. And then this one here we'll put about right here. Remember to put the side with the holes. Put that side up. Just go ahead and put it right in there. Slide it down. Give that little tap with the hammer. You can put a piece of wood right there and tap on that piece of wood so you don't ding up your metal. Now it's time to grab one of these, actually all 4 of these babies. We're going to put them right in the top of here. That way that other shelf can mount on top of this. Now we're going to take these other 4 small holes down and put them right on top of here. Same thing for the very top. And now that we've done that for the top, what we're going to do now is just go ahead and place our metal shelves where we want them. These things are nice. Everything's powder coated. Back's reinforced too. That's nice. Gonna help me show you to put these things in. Just kind of do it diagonal here. Put them in diagonally. Set the right side down. Work it in. Okay, one thing you're supposed to do before installing these 2 halves here is install these things. That'll make it more stable. I was able to do it no problem without it, but they definitely recommend, so you see around that joint, it'll help these 2 pieces stay together. But you definitely need to do it if you want to move the whole thing, because it'll come apart. You can actually, you know, have 2 separate shelving units if you need it. You can break this thing in half, but I'm going to use this as one shelving unit, so I want to make sure I have this piece in there. And you'll put all 4 of them in. Okay, now we'll take these remaining pieces and then put them in between the areas that we have the shelves. Okay, the rest of our parts here are extra. This is so, just in case you want to divide it into 2 separate shelves instead of stacking them on top of each other.